Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to care for a puppy mill dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to care for a puppy mill dog is SpeakingForSpot.com. Specifically the page titled Caring for a Rescued Puppy Mill Breeding Dog. Here's the link. You can also try www.dailypuppy.com, especially the page How to Care for a Dog's Torn Paw Pad The Daily Puppy. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.dailypuppy.com. The web page How to Care for a Dog in Heat The Daily Puppy. Here's the link.